How to hide activity status on Instagram. In this video, I'll show you how to hide your activity status on Instagram. This will prevent other people from seeing when you're active or when you were last online. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Activity. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact with You section and tap Messages and Story Replies. On the next screen, tap Show Activity Status under the Who Can See Your Online section. Now you'll see a toggle next to Show Activity Status. Simply turn this toggle off. That's it. Your activity status is now hidden. Other people won't be able to see when you're online or when you were last active on Instagram. Keep in mind that when you turn off your activity status, you also won't be able to see the activity status of other users. And that's all there is to it. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.